All right, we got Bad Gal Thompson on Facebook. If you get your social security number via asylum, can you work in any state with it, or do you have to work in the state that's on your asylum case?
You can do it in all 50 states. Go work.
Maureen McFarland on Facebook. I have a U.S. citizen friend that wants to know if she can file for her mother, who is here on a visitor's visa, visiting visa. They gave her 6 months in the country. If your answer is yes, should she put in the paperwork before the time they gave her to stay, or after the time's up that they gave her?
If she's a U.S. citizen, over 21, and the mother came here on a visitor's visa, anytime after 91 days, you can put in an adjustment.
Deep Gill on Facebook. My wife was told that her B1, B2 visa has been approved at the interview counter on May 19th. Now it's showing under administrative processing when I check online. Is the process of printing a visa and stamping it on a passport considered under administrative processing as well, because the VO said her visa is approved and she'll get her passport in about 2 weeks?
It could be considered that, or maybe they figured out an issue after the fact. It could be one or the other.
Zin on YouTube. How long does it take a VAWA case after filing the I-485? What's the next steps after fingerprints were taken in the I-485 application through the VAWA case?
You got to wait for the VAWA to be approved, and once the VAWA is approved, then you'll get an interview for your adjustment of status.
George or Jorge Langa on YouTube. How long until I receive my interview notice after receiving a work permit? My wife is a U.S. citizen and she is my sponsor.
It's about 12 to 15 months from the time of filing. It's not about from your work permit. Go back to the time you filed, 12 to 15 months.
29 Super C on YouTube. How long after USCIS approves your green card will they mail your card to the address given?
I've seen it come as quickly as 2 or 3 weeks.
Okay, Bennett Candy on Facebook. How can someone that has a B1, B2 apply for a working visa?
Go speak to a lawyer.
Marez Muhammad El Amin on YouTube. I had my 485 green card interview based on marriage 10 months ago and I didn't get any response. I already did 3 service requests and I still didn't get anything. What do I have to do now?
Wait for a Stokes interview. They didn't believe it was a real marriage. You're going to get separated.
Keisha Ever Bless Kelly on Facebook. What do I need to know about employer-sponsored green cards?
A lot and too much for me to describe right now. You need a consultation.
Frida Konadu. Yeah,
what do I need to know? There's books about it.
I already knew that was going to be the answer too. Frida Konado on YouTube.
That was probably the most open-ended question I've heard in a long time, and I've heard a lot of them.
You should have had like the books just
yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah, page 1.
Yeah. All right, Frida on YouTube. I got a social security number at the age of 7 years, and it stated not valid for employment. And I moved back to Ghana at 9 years old. Since then, I've not gone back. I'm now 34 years old. How can I get a visa to the U.S.?
I don't know why you got a social security number, how you were out of status. Take that book out again.
Yeah.
She needs a consultation.
Yeah. Okay. And last one, Umagu Omugabi in Samba on YouTube. USCIS wrote that the I-158 decision will be mailed to me, but I had already asked to withdraw it. I got the I-797 for the 130, 485, and 765.
Even if you withdraw your adjustment, you're still going to get a decision denying it. It just doesn't disappear. You're still going to get a denial.
Okay.
Thanks for watching. For more Bradshaw Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.